everybody. My name is Tâm. I would like to introduce. I am 20 years old. This year, I graduated studying in a Giáodụcsöm school. At the beginning of the school year, it's a bad thing. It's a bad thing doing this in 2021. I was home learning online for a week because the school is 80 kilometers from home. I was beginning. I live in a boarding school. So I do most of the workers just as washing clothes, folding clothes, the pancakes, cleaning the bedroom. I am this cycle is older for a present to rest us as a genre to prevent the enemy. I usually do exercise in the morning. I usually get up at 5 p.m. It's the coldest much children usually. 7 definite study hard. Exercise and take are present self-lips to carry out and fire kite to have it done yet. It's my thought. My thought in 2022. It's to architect how tell us disciplined study. Have a more new breath. To learn many interacting criticizing books. It's tolerance with many people. My discussion normal live so that and the children can't go to school and who was their president on the weekend. Thank you, we are listen I speaking. Bye, see you again next week.